morning, kids. Hope you all are well at your homes. Kids, as you know that the problem COVID-19 has not still been solved, but lockdown has been open. So it doesn't mean that you all run out of your houses and go here or there. Still, you have to keep yourself very safe and very protective, neat and clean. Thank you kids for sending me the videos for my last recipe. It was really good that you all tried your recipe. For that, there's a small gift for you, a big star, because my little chef tried all those recipes and sent you the videos. And thank you to your parents who appreciated you to make those videos. Kids, as we know, because of COVID-19, we should not eat anything from the outside. We should make the things at our home. We should prepare it at our home. And because everything is very easy to make at home. So when you are cooking for your parents, wow, that is the very big thing for the parents, and they feel so happy that our little chefs are cooking for us. It is very hot these days. I feel so hot. I always feel of eating ice cream, something chilling, something like that. So just to give our mouth a refreshing plus a healthy touch, I am going to teach you how to make a custard pudding today. For the ingredients for the custard pudding are, see, this is the custard I have already prepared for you. These are the fruits I am going to use. It is kiwi, mango, banana. You can take any fruit you have at your home. These are the Marie biscuits. They are very easily available in the market. Take Marie biscuits. This is strawberry crush. It is optional. I like the taste of strawberry crush. That's why I'm using it. Otherwise, if you don't have, it is not necessary to use it. See, chocolate sauce with us. Come, let's see how to start to make our pudding. What I will do, I will first of all crush these biscuits with my hand. See. Just don't make them powdery. Don't make them. Just crush them randomly. See, I'm going to crush it. I've crushed the biscuits very randomly. It is not that I'm powdering it or I'm blanching them or I'm doing just crushing them. See, I've done with it. Now what will you do? You will take another bowl and mix all the fruits in that bowl or a plate, whatever you want you can take, so that it will be easy for you to use them. Transfer all your fruit in this big bowl and just mix it. Mix all the fruits. Now what will we do? We will take a glass. Any glass you can take, any glass you have at your home. I had this glass. First of all, take bit of these biscuits and spread it like in the glass. Just press it with your hands, bit of it. Press it. Pour some chocolate sauce on it. Now take this custard and give a layer of a custard on it. Just like you are placing a bed of a custard. Like we lay, have you seen your moms lay a bed sheet on a bed? It's just like that. See. Now what will you do next step? You will take these fruits, cutted fruits, chopped fruits. No cutting and chopping will be done by you. You'll ask somebody elder at your home to cut and chop for you. Yes, now the layer. Now take this strawberry crush. Put some strawberry crush on it. Just a bit of it. Now you will again pour some of the chocolate sauce on it. Wow. Again we will take this biscuits. A layer of biscuits. Then again this custard. See kids, can you see kids the layers, different layers of different dressings? Wow, it looks so awesome and so yummy. Again some fruits on it. See, wow, it looks so yummy and so ravishing. Now what will you take a sauce and give a round, wow. And you can take just a small piece of a biscuit and place it like you're placing a flag on it. See, can you see the layers? How beautiful it looks. See, once again I'll try once again for you. See, once again the same thing I will repeat. I will layer the biscuits in a glass. Pour some chocolate sauce. Now see the custard I am having. Put a bit of a custard on it. Spread it nicely. Cover all the sides of the glass. Now take the fruits. Give a layer of a fruit. Put some strawberry crush. You can even take strawberry sauce. If you don't have it, it's optional. It's not that if you don't have a sauce, you can't prepare it. You can do it. Again, we will take a custard. We will give it a nice layer. Again, lots of biscuits. Layer it nicely with the biscuits. Some chocolate sauce on it. And now this fresh. See kids, it's so healthy. You have chocolate in it. You have custard which is made with milk. And so many fresh fruits are there. And you know that. Fresh fruits are so good for your health and they are very healthy. Plus when you will freeze it, it will give such a nice and refreshing taste. You will really enjoy it. Yes, and now pour some strawberry crush on the topping. Just to decorate it. Again take this chocolate sauce and give a round of, wow. And now put a, yes. See the layers. Can you see it? See how tempting is it? Freeze it for at least 2 hours, then you can eat it. Eat and enjoy it. You will really find it very yummy, very tasty. It is very healthy, full of fruits and full of energy. Plus in summers it is very soothing. So kids, I hope so you all will enjoy this at your home. You will make it and try it and tell me how you like it. So have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay at home. Stay healthy. Okay, bye bye and thank you.